guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, want to give you guys an update of the 10 or I guess maybe 7 now GPUs that have been doing a long-term mining test. And I just want to give you guys an update of how much we have mined with all these coins so far after 416 days. Okay, for those that are maybe just watching this, never seen a video or updates about these rigs, I have about 8 of these 6600 XT rigs, okay, that are mining different coins. We started out with 10, now we have 7. Okay, as we go along, I'll explain what happened to these rigs. But the reason why I'm doing an update now, which I did an update video back on November 4th, okay, it's now November 27th as of recording this video, because we have seen some price appreciation on a lot of these coins. Also, to compare buying the said coin, okay, which we theoretically did, I have in here on my CoinGecko portfolio. So we will compare this to the mined coin that we have done so far. All right, so before I get started, thank you for today's video sponsor, coinminingcentral.com. If you guys are looking for the top ASIC miners, they got them all in stock, ready to go, as well as if you're looking into buying Dogecoin miners, use code RPM Doge for about $190 off. Okay, link down below if you guys are interested. Okay, now let's get into it. So I have been mining now this whole test for the past 416 days. And previously we did the test about 393 days previously, but you guys can see here, which how much I've mined and yielded over the past like 3 weeks here. I am continuing to yield and HODL all of these coins. So the coins that we are mining right now is going to be DYNEX, FLUX, Ergo, NEOX, NEXA, CLORE, and Ravencoin. Okay. Actually, this Ravencoin rig is actually mining to unminable, and it's going to be, I guess, profit switching into BTC. Okay, which this rig was on NiceHash before, but because they have the new KYC requirement, I am no longer on NiceHash. Okay, so just to give you guys that disclaimer there. So we've switched this off from NiceHash to unminable Kapow. Okay, so anyways, let's go through right away. Let's go through how much we have mined thus far and what the value is, okay, as of November 27th, okay? 416 days ago. All right, so we have 408 DYNEX from Tower 01 thus far, and that bag is worth $122.21. So 3 weeks ago, all right, that bag was maybe worth $103.93. So we've garnered a little bit more DYNEX, but also the DYNEX price has price appreciated just a little bit, not much, but over the past 7 days, looks like it's gone up 8.7%. Okay, so, all right, next coin is Flux. All right, Tower 02. This is mining Flux here, and we have mined a total of 583.2 Flux. And this value is now, as of today, is worth $427.90. Okay, but before, maybe a couple weeks back, the whole bag was worth $262. So Flux has had some price appreciation here over the past month. Definitely looks like 36% or 55% over the past 30 days. Okay, so that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Then going down here, Ergo is the next rig. All right, so I actually initially was mining Ergo, Alphium, and ZIL on this rig, but since Alphium has now been moving to ASICs, predominantly ASICs now, there's no point of GPU mining Alphium with this tower rig. So I stopped mining Alphium and also ZIL. I was not able to get Ergo and ZIL to work anymore on this rig. So we're stopping the test of Alphium, of course, and then ZIL. But I'm still going to be equating the yield that I mine with this and HODLing it up until further price appreciation, which I'm going to talk about, previous all-time high later on in this video. Okay, so yeah, Ergo, 182 Ergo now. And to compare that, we were at 170 Ergo a couple weeks ago. All right, so that bag, including the Alph and ZIL before, was $325 worth. But now this whole bag is worth, including the yield now, is worth $630.65. So we've gone up almost 2x in price on this bag here for this Tower 03 rig here. So that's pretty good. Ergo has definitely been price appreciating past 30 days, almost 171% on Ergo. Alphium also has a 32% bump here, and Zilliqa has been up 82% over the past 30 days. So that is also why we have been seeing price appreciation on this tower. So that's been doing very well. Okay, next rig is NEOXA. This NEOXA rig, Tower 04, has been mining NEOXA nonstop, and this has garnered almost 323,000 NEOXA, okay? And that bag, though, is only worth $253.31. And then a couple weeks ago, this bag was worth $184.92, okay? So doing good. It's going up. All right, now next rig, Tower 05, NEXA. We've been mining NEXA nonstop on this rig here, and this one has mined $167.53 worth as of now. So yeah, it's definitely price appreciating a bit. Okay, so $99 previously a couple of weeks ago, and this bag is now worth $167. So NEXA has definitely been having some price appreciation here, 46% over the past 30 days. Okay, so that's pretty good. Okay, so that's the NEXA rig. Now, the next rig is Tower 06, okay, which I had the motherboard, the RevTech die on it, and I never got around to replacing it. You know what, I'm gonna do that. I said that in the previous video, and I never did, so I'm gonna hold myself to it. Maybe today, I'm gonna replace that motherboard. But anyways, Nurai, okay, this initially mined, which stopped on June 7th, 2024. This has mined 168,000 Nurai, which is worth $113 right now. And before that was maybe worth $83. So Nurai is having some price appreciation here, 34% over the past 7 days. Okay, so that's doing okay. CLORE rig now, Tower 07. This has been mining CLORE, okay, and CLORE AI, and this has mined, as of today, 5,570 CLORE. Okay, maybe a couple of weeks back, it was at, 5,300 CLORE. All right, so, but this bag, which was worth $384 previously, a couple of weeks back, is now worth $525. So CLORE is also having some price appreciation here. So that is a good sign. That's a good sign. Okay, that's CLORE rig. Next rig, Tower 08. All right, this is the now unminable rig that's mining Ravencoin to unminable into BTC. Okay, so this has garnered altogether, added it all up with the unminable and the nice hash that we were doing before, is now 0.0107 Bitcoin, which is now has a value of $1,032.33. All right, but previously that was $719.62. So as of now, all right, this, if you're looking at this, the nice hash or into BTC rig, Kapow rig, has been performing a lot better than any other mining rig that we have been mining and hodling so far as of now. Okay, of course, this is where we're going to talk about the previous all-time high of some of these coins of the bags I have now, which we'll get into, but it's just interesting to see the value of it now. Okay, if you were to say, oh, which rig is doing the best now? Well, it's the Bitcoin rig, the mining into Bitcoin, which I was doing Kapow into Bitcoin over the past 416 days. This one has been doing good because Bitcoin has obviously been, price appreciating and going up, and it's been doing well. So that's really interesting to think about as of now, of course, but we're waiting to see further price appreciation of these other coins. So we have Tower 09, Tower 10, which were not my rigs. Mining King is no longer doing the test of these Ravencoin, but we have mined in total 15,003 Ravencoin, and that is worth $363.38. So we're going to keep, documenting this here, but Mining King is no longer running this rig. But otherwise, we have 15,000 Ravencoin. That's worth $363.38. Before, it was worth $241. So Ravencoin also having some price appreciation here. 43% over the past 30 days. So that's pretty good. And then the last rig here is from Overboard. We were doing Meowcoin, but he has unfortunately passed away. Rest in peace, Overboard, back in April 2024. And he was the one who had this rig on Meowcoin. We no longer have that. So we're no longer going to be accounting this one, as I don't have access to that one anymore. Okay, so Overboard, we miss you, buddy. Rest in peace, my friend. Now, the next rig is going to be... Oh, no, that's it. Okay, so that's all 10 rigs here that we have been doing this long-term test here. Okay, so now let's talk about total mined. Okay, total mined is now $3,600 worth, pretty much. Okay, if I were to equate all the bags that we've been mining thus far, as of November 27th. If I were to sell everything right now, this would be worth $3,635.99. Am I selling all of this right now? No, obviously not. It's just a metric here that we're putting in. But how much electricity have we paid thus far? Well, after 416 days, I'll be out of pocket $3,194.88. Okay, after 8-cent kilowatt hour or $7.68 a day for all of these rigs. Now, the initial investment of all of these rigs to buy these rigs would be about $14,000, or I think about what, $1,400 per rig. Okay, we're equating about $200 or $180 per 6600 XTs, which, you know, we're going to get to in a second, the resale value here. But in the whole right now, as of now, November, this should be November 27th. I would be in the hole about $13,558.89. Okay. But I'm obviously not selling now. All right. So just to equate that there. But what if I were to sell everything now, including the rigs? Okay. Then in theory, then I would be up $14,441.11. But it doesn't make sense to sell all the stuff now when my initial investment was 14,000. No, right? Then I think my profit loss would be, I should have that as another thing here, would be a couple $100, maybe $401.11, which would be it just wouldn't make sense. It wouldn't make sense to, you know, sell this now, right? Sell all this now. It just wouldn't make any sense after electric and the initial investment and all that stuff. So okay, now here's where I'm hoping that this is why we're doing this long-term test, is because some of these coins went to previous all-time high. DYNEX, right? DYNEX is one here. If DYNEX went to its previous all-time high with the bag I have now, that would be only worth $567. Flux, if, you know, previous all-time high, this would be worth $1,942. Ergo and Alph and ZIL, all this together. Actually, no, I have it separately. So if Ergo went to its previous all-time high, this bag of 182 Ergo would be worth $3,400. Okay, and then the Alph here, if all-time high, would be 650. ZIL 579. Now, NEXA here. This if NEOX went up to all-time high, which would be the biggest winner, it'd be about $8,037. That would be insanity if that happened. NEXA, all right, this NEXA bag, if went to all-time high, would be worth $64 million. Then the Nurai rig, Nurai, if this went up to all-time high, would be worth $1,200. CLORE, if CLORE went up to previous all-time high, would be $2,460. Bitcoin, now here's a funny one. If Bitcoin went to all-time high, which was I think almost 100,000 Bitcoin, that would be worth $1,070. Then Ravencoin, if Ravencoin went to previous all-time high, which I think was like 28 or 27 cents or something, this 15,000 bag of Ravencoin that we have would be worth $42.79. So really funny to think about. Okay, if DYNEX does make a new all-time high, it would obviously be worth more. But, you know, looking at all these coins here, right? Obviously, Bitcoin as of now is winning. But what if, you know, some of these coins went to previous all-time high or more? Then it would obviously beat out Bitcoin. But hopefully Bitcoin goes up more, and we're going to have, you know, that massive altcoin season. But it's just really, really interesting to look at. So obviously, are all these coins going to go up to new all-time highs? I don't know. We don't know. Maybe not. But it's just funny to look at, right? The total mined would be worth about $26,000, $27,000. And as of now, of course. But when is that time going to happen? We're still spending more on electric as we go along here. Okay. And then in the hole, though, I would be in the positive if those coins went to all-time high. But then including the rig value of another, you know, $14,000, if I were to sell all the GPUs right now, then if I were to sell all the bags and previous all-time high, this could be worth $37,000. But is it going to be better than if I bought the coin? No. As of right now, buying the coin would have been much better, obviously, but, you know, timing is everything as well. So all these coins, we bought $1,400 worth, okay, in theory, and we did a portfolio holding on CoinGecko. So look at the profit and loss here, the profit loss. You know, Alephium is the biggest winner thus far. Bitcoin is the next one as of now. CLORE would be the next one. Flux, Ergo, Ravencoin, you guys can see here, but we got some losers. Okay, if we bought $1,400 of Meowcoin back in October, you know, 400 days ago, it's in a loss now. NEXA is also in a loss. NEXA is extremely in a loss, 71%, and DYNEX is really, really in a loss here. So I hope that, you know, coming up in the altcoin season that we have some further price appreciation on some of these coins here, but including some of these other ones here. It's just really interesting to see, you know, some of the winners here in these coins. But another thing to think about is over a year ago, okay, we bought that bag, this whole bag back on October 8th, right? And here, I can just show you guys the transactions here. This is when October 8th, all right, this is when we bought $1,400 of each of the coins, all right, not kidding you guys here. Just in theory, okay, and I didn't actually buy $1,400 of each coin here, which I should have actually, because if we did, and we actually sold it at the peak when March 11th, 2024, at the peak, the bag of all these coins from $1,400 each bag was worth, the whole balance was worth almost $80,000, which is insanity. 80 grand, okay? Should have sold it all, but hindsight 2020, of course. But then now look at the balance, started going down and down and down, 32,000 here, but now we're creeping back up here. Okay, so it's just funny to see when some of these coins did go to higher highs, like CLORE and Lithium and some of these other ones. I think NEOXA was definitely worth a lot more previously. Okay, actually, if we go to NEOXA here, go to max, yeah, NEOXA at one point was, you know, back in December a little bit higher, back in March a little bit higher, right? So yeah, it's just funny to see what has transpired, but we're still documenting the journey here. I'm still mining and hodling everything. So, but you know, buying the coin, you know, timing is everything really, you know, and depending on what time you sell. But I'm still doing the long-term test. We're still going to be accumulating the coins here up until hopefully we have this, you know, massive altcoin season as Bitcoin goes up here. And where Bitcoin is right now, 96,452. It's still extremely high, but when's that altcoin season gonna come? All the coins that we've been mining here. Well, we will see. Okay, guys, that's it. That's just an update on this. This is a fun test that we're doing, an actual test of mining and hodling with the 6600 XT rig. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.